Welcome to Whitlock Garage, where we're united by trucks. Today, we're at the All Squared Up Show in Daswonville, Georgia, and we got some really cool trucks to show you. We're up in Dawsonville, Georgia today at the Georgia Racing Hall of Fame. Jimmy Lamb has put on a great show, the Southeast Squarebodies All Squared Up Show. So it's all square body trucks and S10 square bodies. So got a lot of really cool trucks to show you today. Folks coming from all over the Southeast, all over the country really. We're gonna show you some really cool trucks today. Obviously we got the booth, the United by Trucks booth, so we're selling merch. We're just hanging out with folks who watch the channel, folks who like the brand. Y'all stay tuned, we'll show you some more as we get going. So we're here with Jim Norton, the owner of this 1978 K5. And Jim, tell us a little bit about this K5. How'd you end up with it?
I found it on the internet about almost 6 years ago, and it was out in Seattle, Washington. And so started talking to the original owner who bought it new, and so we finally made a deal on it, and I bought it in February. 5 years ago, I guess.
February 5 years ago.
Right.
All right. So now that we got that out of the way, tell us why this thing is so unique.
It's unique. When I bought it, it only had just under 15,000 miles on it, and all original paint, interior, wheels, everything was original on it, and that got my attention. I actually wasn't even looking for a 78. I was looking for a 72.
Sure.
But I saw the low mileage original owner, so I said, well, I think I'll look into this. So anyway, long story short, I bought it, and I just drive it to car shows and just kind of enjoy it. And I've put about 4,000 miles on it.
Well, I think that's that part is probably the coolest part, that you put some mileage on it. You know, you're taking it from 15 to 19,000 miles.
Right.
And this thing looks incredible. Obviously, the engine bay is still very original. The interior looks just amazing.
It's not been detailed. I have put a wax on it one time, but other than that, it's all original paint, and you know, no scratches. And he evidently kept it garage, and it was a highly optioned K5. It's a Cheyenne package with a 400 small block, and it's a trailer and special, and got a rear speaker, just a few little odds and ends that add up. And you know, in a truck like this is highly optioned. It was, don't know why, but he just went with the dog dish hubcaps and the steel wheels. Most of the time you get one looking like this, you'd put the full hubcaps on them.
Yeah,
but for some reason he didn't like that, which I'm glad he didn't. I like the steel and the dog dish hubcap look.
That's what I was going to say. Yeah, I think that's really what sets it apart to me, is you got this big black K5 with beautiful white steel wheels and the hubcap. So, well, thanks so much for talking to me about it today. I really appreciate it.
You're quite welcome.
Very nice to meet you.
Thanks for looking.
So we're here with Madison from Ball Ground. She has a, what year?
An 85 K10.
An 85 K10. We're gonna go check that out here in just a minute. But she just won the United by Trucks gift certificate here at the All Squared Up Show. She picked out that awesome shirt. Yeah. Gotta show them the front. Anyway, so we're gonna go check out her truck here in just a minute. Big thanks to you for coming to the show and picking out some cool stuff. And we'll catch up with y'all in just a minute. All right, guys, so we're here with Madison from Ball Ground. Obviously, she is the winner of the United by Trucks gift certificate. She just got a shirt and a sticker, but we're here with her K10. Madison, tell us a little bit about your truck.
My dad bought it like 6 years ago, and it sat for like 8 years. Bought it, had 3 different size tires on it, barely ran.
Yeah.
Then I got into horses, so I had to pull the trailer, so my dad gave it to me. And then I was like, it needs to be bigger and better. So we're slowly getting there.
All right, so what all have you done to it since then?
I put a 6-inch lift on it, 35, got exhaust done to it, Got a crate 350 from Summit.
Do you still pull a horse trailer with it?
Yeah, almost every weekend.
Wow.
Yep.
So with a 6-inch lip and 35.
Drop hitch ain't quite dropped enough.
Well, that's really cool. Thanks for letting us look at the truck and for coming to the show. This is awesome. So we're here with Jamie from Monroe, Georgia, and this guy has got a killer crew cab. Jamie, hope you're doing well, man. Tell us a little bit about your truck.
It's a 1987 camper special R30, so it's a 3+3. It's built full frame for it. Of course, it's on air. 22-inch Alcoa's custom cut from Tennessee Wheel and Tire. Running factory throttle body, big block, 454 with a 4L85E transmission, so it's got the overdrive.
Neat.
Seats are out of a 2013 Dodge Ram. Roof rack's off of a Chevrolet HHR, so it's kind of a mutt. You know, you just kind of get the parts you want that look good on it. Yeah, I like driving it. It's big, but it's fun.
Did you drive it a lot?
Yeah, I drive it on the weekends stuff.
Sweet.
You know, it's fun to get in, ride's great, runs good.
Well, tell us a little bit more about the chassis. So you said you built it yourself.
Yeah, I started with a factory cross member. So I had built the Z, and then I used 3x4 1/4-inch box tubing. Did all the tube work, 1.5 DOM.
Yeah, the work in the rear around the notch is impressive.
Yeah, the bed, I started with the factory bed skins. Everything else is made, you know, bead rolled. Pretty typical thing nowadays. Everything's bead rolled and stuff like that. Fenders are the OEM fiberglass fenders. Section them. A lot of people section them differently, where they look like a billboard.
Yep.
I took my time and kind of took a little bit different route, so they're proportional.
I was gonna say they look very proportional.
Yeah, they look a lot different. Some of them you'll see they look like they're real tall.
Yep.
And that's it. Just been trying to get the rear end dialed in as far as the tailgate and the bumper.
Yep.
That always seems to be the last thing you always do on a truck. It's like, oh, I'll do that later, and that was 6 years ago. So trying to get that dialed in to where it works good.
Do you do this at home in your garage, or you do it at the body shop?
I did the truck at the body shop. I now, since then, I have a shop at my house. Also with the help of my one of my good friends, Chicken City Hot Rods, Chris Dyer. He's done a lot of work.
With him, yeah.
He's very talented. He's probably better than me, but I hope you don't see this video.
He will, because he follows us.
Yeah, so he's very talented. So he helps me out a lot, and I've had a lot of help from the guys at the body shop and everything like that. You know, with random things and people helping out here and there.
It's a really cool truck. I appreciate you taking the time.
Oh, no problem, man.
Talk to us about it.
Yeah, check us out, man. If we're at a show or whatever, and anybody's got any questions, you can hit me up online. I'll do my best to answer you.
What you saying, girl?
I was just cheesing.
Cheesing. Little Millie.
Sure, in the car, I didn't put it on though. Forgot.
Look at little Millie. Girl, what you doing? You just hanging out
My
at
little pigtails have drooped. I'm so hot.
hanging out at the booth, girl. You're so sweet. I'll see you up there. Take care, buddy. What do you think about that?
I like it.
Smell of rubber, baby.
Cue the music.